ClickTime's Project Insights is a collection of powerful budgeting, forecasting, and management tools built on ClickTime's world-class time tracking platform. With Insights, you can predict profitability, budget smarter, and evaluate performance all within ClickTime. Budgets can be set up in a matter of minutes. Insights can be used with any billing rate structure, so you can create accurate estimates for any type of budget or project. Monitor your team's progress in real time with our unique visual reports and dynamic dashboards. Our easy-to-use interface allows you to sort through and export your data in a variety of ways. Data is pulled directly from your employee's timesheet, so you can implement and use the features almost immediately. Budgets can be added and updated whenever needed, and ClickTime will indicate which employees have already spent time on an existing project to reduce out-of-scope efforts. To learn more about how ClickTime can help you or to sign up for a free trial, please visit ClickTime.com. ClickTime's Project Insights. Stop estimating and start knowing.